Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a few charts from October 15, 2022, the weekly charts that I made, and so far what happened to them and where they are going. And these charts are about the indices, like DAX, S&P, Nasdaq, and all that. So, okay, let's get started. This is the first chart that here, 15th October, 2022. This is DAX weekly. I made this chart showing that this is the support here, 24.26. And I was expecting a bounce from here, but the price dipped a little bit and then it was hanging in there. So I said, okay, still, this is the area to watch. And hopefully if this holds, we will go to the upside. So that this chart so far today, just as of yesterday, is up here. See that it bounced exactly from there and straight up. These two candles were there, so the next candle just above that level, and after that is just gone with the wind. Now, this is the weekly chart. What about my 40-minute and 20-minute entry charts? And how you get the entries? Let's see current, very recent entries in the DAX. Let me show you the chart. What's happening is this. You see that? This is the entry on March 27, right here. And this is the entry on March 28. And look how far it went. This is how, and that happens, in the back, you will see it's a lot of, entries. It posts just like that, it retraces and then it goes up and then boom, boom, and gone. And it's probably going to come down here again and then continue to go to the upside. This is how my entry system works. Now, the next chart was, okay, this S&P 500 on the 15th October. I made showing that this is the area, this yellow band, it is 35.88, probably is going to be the support. If not, maybe we're going to drop this and that will support and then we will go to the upside. Look what happened to this chart. Right from there, this is the area, this band, this candle, see that? The doji kind of candle, this wick to the upside, wick to the bottom, body in the middle. Exactly from there, next candle, you can see the bullish, 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 and then dip, and then again. This is now the current chart. I made it on the 26th. And I'm expecting something like this here. So this is what happened to S&P 500 from here to here right now. Another chart I made on the October 15 is gold. Gold weekly chart saying that this is a wave 4, probably going to finish here. A, B, C correction, sideways, flat correction. And then from there, probably going to go this probably with the support, 1576. Look what happened to this chart as of today. What the heck happened here? Where does that chart go? This is Nasdaq. Maybe it's down the road. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, this is what happened. You see that? Go from exactly from there, it'll start to go up. I made several charts in between, right? But I'm just showing you just like the one on the October 15 and this. Right? And similarly, I made this one. This is oil, right? I said that this thing is gonna go up from here, but only this chart went down a little bit on me, and then it started to go up. Let's take a look what happened to this. This is I made this chart first on the September 17, and then October 15 is this one. So this chart came down from here. Instead of bouncing from here, it came down here a little bit. Then I made the chart that is going to go up. This chart I made on a few days ago. And you can see now it is already two candles into there, right? And this chart I made Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq, I don't have the weekly chart. I can't find it. I'm just gonna, make a new one. But this is on the 20th March. I made this chart this is like my 80-minute chart showing that current area, that this was the entry, this was the entry, and this was the entry, but it ended up falling into this contracting triangle. So I said here, this is the the lower TL of the triangle, so it should be, and then see A, B, C, D, and E. So if this is E finishing here, then we're supposed to be going to the upside, bouncing like this. So far, what happened to this chart is this. See that it went down a little bit on me, right, to this low here, and then from there on, I just recorded the chart, and it's powerfully going to the upside. So these are a few charts that I made before, and then this one is still going to the upside a little bit more, and then probably going to make the turn, right? So I'll be making new charts soon, weekly charts and 80-minute chart for the direction. So pretty much I have all of these things under control. And let me also show you that this week so far, as of today, from Monday to today, how many trades we have taken here. This one is pound yen, 150 pip from here to here on 27th March. This is euro yen, 120 pip. See, this is the same entry as I showed you in the DAX chart. Let me go back. You see all of these entries? Same kind of entry. And you will see here as well. The DAX is giving the same kind of entry. See that? Oops, where the heck it go? Right here, see? The yellow line is above the black. This indicates all the way down. Price goes up, above the wave, come back, retrace, and then coming out of the wave with the blue candle. That's where my entry is. So here, you see that? The same thing happened here. This indicator, yellow is above the black. Price comes down here, then start to go up. And I make the entry, buy order here as I'll move to break even. Plus, this is crude oil doing the same thing here, just like DAX. See that? It went up, boom, went up, boom. And then right here, I made my entry here, buy order here. And then look how many. From 69.55 to $73. This one, euro yen for 110 pips, same kind of setup again. This is pound yen again, same kind of setup. Buy order here on the 27th. I had two orders, 2 trades pound yen and 2 trades euro yen on 27th. It was a big day for me. 27th, again, this is pound Nuzi doing the same thing, same setup. This was a setup, this was a setup, this entry, all of these, so many entries this system gives you, and you just have to take them. Pound yen again on the 28th. This is the one. Buy order here. It start wobble. See the slow time, then it does that. Then the volume time comes and then start to take off. That's how it is. On the 20th, euro yen again. Yen is just going crazy. Yen is getting very, very weak, and all yen pairs are flying like a F-16. Right? So that's what happened on the 20th, 95 pip here. And then this one, USD yen, it gave me the entry way up there. But still, the daily range was finishing here. So it's 50 pip. I says bye-bye. And, that's what happened. So I got out. And then again, Aussie yen on the 29th. Again, I missed all of that. There was like so many trades happening. So many entries were coming. My alarm was beeping everywhere. All the computers were beeping, beep, 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 beep. Long this, long this, long this, long this. So I said, you know what? This is, hold on to it. I have made enough, so I'm not going to take more entries. Because if you take a lot of entries, then you have to manage them. And, it's not that easy. So on the 29th, the USD CAD book, CAD, I have the charts telling me that it was going to get strong. And that's what happened. CAD start to get strong, and this one happened to CAD. Yeah. I mean, CAD, USD CAD. This one today, I was like so tired. So I said, what the hell with it? Yen pairs will keep going up, and they are way up there and extended. So I don't want to take any more long entries unless they retrace a little bit. Tomorrow is going to be one more day, Friday, and after that, trading closes, and then I'll see next week what happens. But the only thing that I took here from 7-minute chart, because the move is so fast, furious, the momentum is such that 20-minute entry, I just missed those, and then I says, okay, I'll just take this. From 7-minute chart, it's like a small fast chart. So this was an entry, and then start to go up. Boom, it's 60 pip. It looks very big, but since the chart is so small, only 60 pip, right? And I think this is it. So it's like 12 trades so far, and then I will be sitting tonight again in London session. I'll see if I can get some more. But yeah, this is just wanted to show you guys that the forex that I'm trading, and then as well as that these charts that I made. They are right on the dot, S&P chart, look what happened. DAX, and then gold from here, and it goes all the way down. And still going. I think that it's still gonna go up there. This is oil. and oil is just starting to go up. Okay, this is the divergence is posted, and it start to go up 2 weeks in a row, and then next, let's see what happens. And then this chart, amazingly, it from here, it is now here. Here, you see that? That's what happened. All right, so just wanted to show you guys, share with you guys, and then yeah, I'll be doing webinar when tomorrow, no, not Friday. I just finished one yesterday. So I'll be doing my next webinar on Sunday with new charts, new setups, and everything. If you want to get in, you want to learn how to do all of that, go on my website. It's right here. And just subscribe, or you want to sign up for one-on-one, you can go here and then sign up for one-on-one, and you learn everything, how I do these things, you know, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, blah, blah, blah. And also you're going to be a part of my Telegram, where I constantly post heads up about upcoming setups, like you making a long 20, the, you know, GN making a long, EM might be short. So this is how we do trading here. So yeah, so this is it. Bye for now, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. I'm gonna be making another video. I forgot about what I have a few topics here. So yeah, maybe I'll make another video, a new video tomorrow, and then and post. All right. So bye for now, and thanks thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later. Let me see. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Okay. I stop recording.